wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best portable induction cooktops. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, featuring a metal handle on top that doubles as a cord wrap, as well as something to hang it from. The IKEA tillreda is convenient to store and carry from place to place. It heats fairly evenly and can bring a quart of water to a boil quickly. It's an attractive minimalist design, however there's no built-in timer, and the buttons are a bit small. At number 9, if you need 2 burners but don't want to spend a lot of cash, the Cuisinart ICT60 may be what you're looking for. One side has 8 power levels and the other has 5, and they both shut off automatically after 30 seconds if there's no pan on them. It's equipped with individual timers and backed by a 5-year warranty, but it doesn't offer many settings. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the nuwave Flex is very precise, with selectable heat levels in 10-degree increments, and with a temperature range of 100 all the way up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, it excels at searing meats. It's small for easy storage and comes with a 9-inch skillet. However, it doesn't have an on-off switch. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for portable induction cooktops, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, affordably priced for a smart model, the Cuisinart Tasty One offers high-tech cooking without costing an arm and a leg. When following along with one of the associated app's recipes, it automatically adjusts its settings, eliminating any chance of user error. It includes a connected meat probe and teaches good culinary technique, but the heating coil is small. Moving up our list to number 6, one of the most technologically advanced options, the Breville Polyscience Control Freak can be set to the exact degree required for what you're cooking. It includes a highly accurate probe thermometer and allows you to save settings for use with future meals. It's equipped with a twin fan cooling system and makes very little noise. However, this one's too expensive for most users. Halfway up our list at number 5. If you need a highly durable, professional-grade model, the duxtop P961LS is worth a look. It can hold cookware weighing as much as 10 pounds and can be locked during use to prevent accidental temperature changes. It features a digital countdown timer and a 30-minute keep warm function. It's suitable for use in restaurants. At number 4, though it seems pricey, the Hestan Q Smart Gen 2 is a high-tech option that's controlled via an app on your Android or iOS phone. Not only does this let you set extremely precise temperatures, it also provides access to more than 500 video-guided recipes. It allows for manual operation too and removes the guesswork from cooking. It comes with a stainless steel skillet. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the duxtop 9260 LS has 2 independent burners and not a lot of excess bulk, making it a good choice for use in small kitchens and RVs, where space limitations are a major factor, but where you still want the ability to prepare more than one dish at the same time. It features a bright backlit display and a digital touch sensor, and it accommodates large pans. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for portable induction cooktops, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, affordably priced and boasting a sleek, low-profile design, the isiler 1800 watt would be a welcome addition to any kitchen. It ranges from 140 to 460 degrees Fahrenheit and can be adjusted in either 20 or 60 degree increments. It comes with a durable glass surface and an efficient cooling system, and it heats uniformly. And taking the top spot on our list, the duxtop 9600 LS features straightforward touch controls that take seconds to understand, including buttons specifically for warming and fast boiling. Its pan detection system shuts it off automatically when it's not in use. It's compact and lightweight, with 20 temperature settings and a child safety lock. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for portable induction cooktops, or simply click beneath this video.